Agriculture ministers adopt joint declaration in Indore back farmer-centric initiative. The 16th BRICS Agriculture Ministers meeting concluded in Indore, Madhya Pradesh, and unanimously adopted the joint declaration which aimed to add to strengthening food security, sustainable agriculture, innovation, and farmer welfare across member nations. This meeting was held under India's presidency on June 12 and 13, 2026, and this meeting brought together the ministers, senior officials, and representatives from BRICS countries and partner nations to discuss the collaborative solutions for the future of the global agriculture. BRICS nations commit to the sustainable and resilient agriculture. The joint declaration outlines the comprehensive roadmap for the enhancing agricultural cooperation among BRICS countries. The member nations emphasize the importance of the strengthening food security, promoting sustainable farming practices, supporting smallholder farmers, encouraging agricultural innovation, building climate resilient food system. The declaration recognizes that the farmers, particularly smallholders, play a crucial role in ensuring food security, rural livelihoods, and sustainable development. BRICS network of centers of excellence on agroecology launched. One of the most major outcomes of the meeting was the decision to establish the BRICS network of centers of excellence on agroecology and regenerative agriculture. The initiative will initially be coordinated by the ICAR, Indian Institute of Farming System Research, IIFSR Modipuram, which will serve as the India's Center of Excellence on natural farming. The network aims to promote the sustainable farming methods, encourage the regenerative agriculture practices, support climate resilient farming system, facilitate collaborative research, enhance knowledge sharing among member countries. This initiative is expected to help the farmers to adopt environmentally sustainable and resource efficient agricultural practices. New digital agriculture network approved. Recognizing the growing role of the technology in agriculture, BRICS countries have agreed to establish the network on digital agriculture. The initiative will be coordinated initially by the Indian Institute of Technology, IIT Delhi, and will focus on to the artificial intelligence, AI in agriculture, geospatial technology, digital public infrastructure, data-driven farming solutions, smart agricultural management system. The network aims to accelerate the digital transformation in agriculture and improve productivity through technological innovation. Global Forum on Farmers' Rights in Seed System. Another key decision was the launch of the Global Forum on Farmers' Rights in the Seed System. The forum will be initially coordinated by the Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Rights Authority (PPV) and FRA New Delhi. Its objective includes the protecting farmers' rights, preserving the traditional agriculture knowledge, promoting seed heritage, on conservation, and encouraging dialogue on seed system, recognizing farmer contribution to biodiversity. The initiative reflects the growing global attention towards to safeguarding indigenous knowledge and ensuring equitable access to agricultural resources. BRICS Agreen framework to enhance cooperation. The minister has also approved the establishment of the BRICS Agreen Agro Inputs, Genetic Resources and Information Network framework. The framework will support the cooperation in areas such as the agricultural input, genetic resource management, technical collaboration, information sharing, capacity building. The initiative is expected